Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay updated on all upcoming videos.
My next question was, I had this question regarding what can one do to prevent Alzheimer's in old age?
Okay, so anything that keeps your brain active, like we talked about nutrition, cognitive exercise, physical exercise, lifestyle habits. So all of these will help prevent Alzheimer's. There's one more interesting study that I want to mention here. They did this 40 hertz audio-based pulsing for rats that were rats or mice induced with Alzheimer's, and they saw it clear up over a period of time, like a few weeks, I think. This is a study from MIT. I don't remember all the details, but they did repeated studies where they used audio 40 hertz clicks, and then they used video, like visual 40 hertz pulses. Then they used them together, and they noticed the difference in their brain. The plaques started to clear away.
Wow.
So yes, so this is why it prompted them to do a human-based clinical trial, which will end, hopefully the COVID won't delay that, but it will end in 2023.
Okay.
And once we have the results of that trial, we'll know whether the 40 hertz frequency can be used for Alzheimer's reversal as a drugless, possibly drugless intervention.
Yeah, that would be like a great, if it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember, I think some news came out about it last December, and someone was saying, I'm going to get Christmas lights that blink at 40 hertz, and that'll be the healthiest Christmas that I've had.
Yeah, I mean, we hear a lot about those, I don't know if that's related, those music that, different frequency levels, and the music, if you listen to particular music in that frequency range, like especially if you're meditating or something, you can get like added benefit out of it for relaxing and those kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So I guess it has some kind
of it's related because the brain has different waves at different activity levels and consciousness levels. So by introducing that frequency through the ears, you're actually inducing that state. Even if you don't feel that way, it starts to make the brain go that way.
Yeah.
So if you're feeling sleepy and you listen to I believe it's alpha waves, then you're going to be able to focus more, being a little bit more creative.
Right.
And if you're feeling very, very kind of hyped up and you want to relax, theta would probably be better. Right. So
yeah.
Yeah.
That would be nice if, some drugless way to really take charge of this whole, it's because Alzheimer's, it's like the most dreaded disease, or especially something that old age people really have to face, like knowingly, unknowingly, even though if you're doing so many things, and which doesn't have a solution right now. So that would really be something to look forward to.
Yeah.